Hello everyone. My name is Michaela and I'm from Czech Republic. I study architecture for 3 years at Technical University of Liberec. I would like to present you my way of how I think that this plot should look like. I wanted to design something special since the beginning, something what you have not seen before. I've read in the task that you don't want us to design single family or row houses, but I was still thinking about it. So the buildings look like stack-up blocks from the exterior, but it is only an illusion. You will find out it later in my presentation. I decided that it is good to work with wave-shaped elements, as you can see. There are many restaurants and shops along the promenade. Office part is located in the middle at the plot. There is a yacht club next to the water bay, and wellness on the opposite side of the bay. Yacht owners can easily anchor in front of their apartment. Here you can see the parks and where the pathways are. There is a part where solar panels are used as a surface. This slide shows you water surfaces, piers and bridges. All of them are lifting so the yacht could pass through. I've designed an underground parking spaces and there are 2 parking entrances. There is west and east view. There's the north and south view, an axonometry, the second axonometry, 2 cross sections, and now let's start some visualization. This one is from an early morning. And there is the main road and the view from the sunset. Buildings are towards to the northwest higher because I wanted to have a nice view from all apartments. I also wanted for everyone enough privacy and as little straight sun as possible. Here you can see the waving stairs along the main promenade. As you can see, the facade is all white, which reflects the sun very well, and glazed surfaces are inside the terraces. I've made 2 models on my own, many hours of work, and I think we all know how it works with architecture models. There are the views of the building I was dealing with. And now some layouts of the building with 10 duplex apartments. In my project, every apartment is duplex. There are 2 restaurants, 2 shops, and the entrance hall in the middle. The ground floor has glazed facade, so it's easily recognizable that this is a public area. Apartments are for 1 and 2 people or 2 people with 1 child. Every apartment is special and different. If you are more interested, just go to see my project here. Now you can see how it all works. The load-bearing structure is based on a steel framework. It allows a flexibility of the apartment plans. The foundation would be reinforced concrete pilots, of course, and their depth due to the static calculation. All structures directly exposed to the outside air would be coated with a surface of salt treatments and others which are needed. The base would be solved by electro-osmotic flow, and there is also the fire protection strategy. There are the cross sections, and now some interior visualization. There would be shading canvas between the ground and the first floor. Upper apartments would also have this adjustable extensive shielding canvas, which is made of technical textile and from synthetic fiber. It has a layer of plastics. There are details of regips partition, detail of roof, for which I've chosen the Avances solar panels for using the energy. This is the detail of external wall, detail of window, for which I've chosen the Saint-Gobain Cool Light Extreme Glass, detail of plinth, for which I've chosen the Isover Synthos XPS Prime, and now some calculations. From MultiComfort Designer, you can see that the frequency of overheating is only 3.5%. There are possible ways of getting water. I've chosen the third system, it's in the right corner, which is being tested in Czech, and Czechs would like to present this method on Expo in Dubai in 2020, so I'm sorry for the spoiler. This is a simple calculation due to Czech methods of cost, so if you like my project and would like to build it, count with something like this. Thank you very much for your attention.